This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Confirm your device and update the OS so settings match examples. Next, open Settings, then go to General on iPhone or System, right arrow Languages, and Input on Android. You must pick the active on-screen keyboard, like Apple Keyboard, Gboard, or Samsung Keyboard. This step puts you directly at the control panel that changes the double space behavior. Once there, make sure you have permission to modify keyboard preferences and proceed to the specific keyboard's preferences to change. Now you'll adjust the actual behavior. On iPhone, open Keyboard Settings and enable the period shortcut or create a custom shortcut if your iOS labels differ. For Gboard on Android, navigate to Preferences and toggle double space period. This maps a second consecutive space to a period and a space. Samsung's keyboard hides the option under Smart Typing or Advanced Keyboard Settings. Make the toggle change, and if you want alternate behavior, add or edit a keyboard shortcut, so the second space inserts a chosen symbol or text. Finish by testing in Notes, Messages, or any text field. Type a word, then 2 spaces to confirm the period and space appear. If you prefer another action, add a shortcut or change autocorrect rules. Alternatively, switch to a different keyboard app. If it doesn't work, restart the keyboard or the device, clear the keyboard app cache Android, or update and reinstall the keyboard. If problems persist, remove conflicting third-party keyboards and retry. That single troubleshooting tip will resolve most interference issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.